now. CapCut. Why una do me strong thing now? Why una decide to shame me when not pay for this pro version? Why una decide to shame us? Why una want shame us? You want shame us by adding this stupid watermark. Anyway, we don't go ACAP. So I got a solution for that, sha. So in this video, I'm teaching how you can export video in CapCut for free without the watermark. So let's start. So head over to your CapCut application and click on New Project and pick the video you want to edit in CapCut. So let me select the video that I want. Okay, let me pick one of these married video where I just record. Okay, let me pick this video. Okay, I've picked this video. Can you see the annoying watermark when you play the video? You see it in the history. I'll show CapCut, then we'll show their logo. I beg, CapCut, why? And what is that? CapCut, one of the things that CapCut now do is they would like to use this thing that you can remove the watermark 3 times. After that 3 times, you have to pay by force. You have to pay. So since this thing, we will go account. So what I'm going to do? Click on aspect ratio. As we all know now, normal YouTube ratio for long form content is 16:9 ratio. Yes, that's the normal, this thing, horizontal. Yes, horizontal like this, 16:9 ratio. So click on 2 ratio, 35 ratio 1. Yes, can you see it? You see that trick, Abby? You see that the logo came to one side. Now what we do is we adjust the video to the right side. I hope you are following. I hope you are following the teaching, sha. So when you move it already, did you see it has been covered already? Like the watermark already has already hide in the black side. So I want you to know any editing you should do in this video that I'm teaching you should be within that right side where you have shift your video to, so that watermark will not show at all. So no matter how many clip you had, keep moving them to the what? Right side. That's the trick there. Yes. So next step is what? Is to export the video. You see that I already did the trick, Abby? You see I said exporting. The trick is when you change the aspect ratio and what? Shift it to the right. So after exporting the video, I'll go to photos. So we'll just see the video I will just export it there. Are you seeing it? And I'll press edit. I'll pick edit, like I'll swipe up, you see edit. And I'll pick what? Crop. And I'll crop the black side that has the watermark. Yes, I'll crop the black side that has the watermark. And I will save it. So now, do you see that the video does not have watermark again? Let me show you something. See the video with watermark. So I would save it. So now, did you see the video with watermark and don't have that watermark? I'll put it in one of these 2 sides, because I cannot say inside I'll put it, but it's be one of the 2 sides. The one with watermark and don't have that watermark. Yes. So that's how to remove watermark from what? 16:9 ratio video, which is long form content. Yes. So I hope you understand, sha. If you don't understand, ask question. We are free to ask. I don't bite. Ask question. Now we remove the watermark. So now for the short form content, let's head back to our CapCut. And we'll pick a video that is what? That is portrait or short form content. Or best is to go to maybe your Snapchat folder, because that's what we mostly use. We mostly use portraits for Snapchat videos. None of us snap video on Snapchat like this. We snap mostly like this. So we'll go to our Snapchat folder. We'll pick a video there. Let me pick this video. After I pick a video, click on what? Aspect ratio. You know, normally now it should be 9:16 ratio, which is the normal ratio for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. That's what I'm saying, sha. But and long form content was 16:9, which is vice versa. So we'll click on what? 5:8 ratio. If you ever go to aspect ratio, then you come to this place and you see the ratio. There's a better ratio there, but you click on what? 5:8 ratio. And note, whatever editing you want to do during this ratio thing, do it within that box that you just do. Do it within that box. You should not pass all these aspects because you see that the watermark has come on that. Can you use the watermark has come on that to Alabe? Yes. So you should not pass this aspect. So after I've done it, next is to export it. I hope you are learning something, Sha. I hope you are learning, Sha, and you are following up. If you have any question, you are free to ask in the comment section. No, you are free to ask. So after exporting it, I will go to photos on my phone and click on video we just exported and press edit or pick edit and pick crop. You understand what I'm saying, Sha? I'm English, I do. I will crop the black side that has the watermark, Sha. I will crop it and I will save it. Yeah, I'll crop it. Can you just look at my side too? So now this is the video with watermark and this video without watermark. It will be in the two sides, Sha. So that's the trick for both long form content and short form content. That trick on how you can save your video without watermark. Is that this position I would not pay anything. I did not say enter your card and you pay so amount. No, it's trick. Yes, it's a trick. Yes. So if you have any question, you can ask again. I'm saying it for those that I used to have questions. So I hope you understand as we got how we did it, Sha. And feel free to ask questions. So I'll answer in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And what? Check out my playlist. Check out my playlists. Yes, always check out my playlist for more upload, more videos, and always come back to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Hi, I'm Boluvibes. Bye. God almighty.